What's going on, people? It's your boy here again, Henry TV, and welcome to another video. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can improve your profit taking in the market. So without any further ado, let's jump into the chart. So first of all, I'm just going to play this. So this was a trade I took today to explain to you exactly what I'm saying. So the inverted fair value. So the purple line is an inverted fair value gap, and then you had the blue line, the blue box, which is also a fair value gap, which turned into an inverted fair value gap. And then, of course, I entered. I had my stop. So I was risking 1,000, trying to make 2,000. But today I decided, okay, I'm going to take some off where I'm supposed to take, my entire trade off. Usually 1 or 2, 1 or 3 is usually what I go for. So I was like, you know what? No, I'm going to take like half of the position off first. And then later on, I'm just going to, wait to the ending of the day, because we had like a buy side liquidity which is yesterday's high. It was in a crosshead. So I was like, yeah, I'm just going to wait for that. And this is the reason, most especially in a week like this, where you have, CPI, PPI, you have FOMC, all this news all jumbled together. It's very, very, I think that was me watching some Paul Washer. I usually use that, whenever I'm in a trade and stuff like that, listen to some of the gospel and all that. But yeah, most especially in a week like this is a week you don't want to start going to the market and start demanding a lot. Could it get to that point? Yes, of course, but eventually it's going to take more. So here, as at this point, you can see already I would have taken my position off, and then this thing came all the way back down. I'm like, what is going on? Of course, again, there's the new week opening gap low. I was like, fair enough. I expect some reaction from there. So, of course, this thing just kept going up and down, up and down, up and down. It gave a comeback, and literally this thing came all the way. I thought it honestly was going to stop me out at break even, which I don't really care because I've taken some off, which is very important. And now, after doing this, I was like, this has to then start peeling up, because you take off those equal highs up there. These equal highs, once it's taken, I was expecting now push all the way up to yesterday's high and take it out. And guess what? Price meandered around literally like a few. And this is the thing also, I made a mistake here. I should have taken some off once that high was taken. So now I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So this was yesterday's buy side, yesterday's high, and I've got the new week opening gap, consequent encroachment right here. So that being said, in a case like this, whenever you have markets like this, it's very important to just go in and go out. You don't want to stay in for too long, demanding so much. There was another trade I took earlier on. That was during the lunchtime. Yeah, here. So I had gotten in, I think was right about here. I got in here, and I had some more. I got in, that was actually my other account. I got in some more here. So when the trade got here, I took some off. Oh, man. So when the trade got here, I took some off. I took some of the trades up here. I was expecting that it was going to get to this daily order block. That was where I was going to take all my positions off. And I moved my stop up a little bit. And then literally, again, it's during the lunch hour. It's much more expected. It came back down and, stopped me out. But yeah, that is it from me. Thank you for watching. Again, please, guys, try as much as possible to target 1 to 1, 1 to 2, maximum 1 to 3. Whenever you're starting to get 1 to 4, 1 to 5, market conditions like this, I think it's not the best time. Even ICT said it. This is not the best time for you to start doing that. We have more favorable times coming up soon. Hopefully sooner rather than later, but it's going to come. It definitely will come. The market just can't keep going like this forever. We had some nice movement today. But yeah, please 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 1, and 1 to 3. And that is how you stay consistent in the market. Of course, there are some times where, and again, this is also very applicable to somebody who has a small account. Of course, if you have a big account, you can then start taking some off here and there. But if you're only possible to trade just one contract, I think this is the best way to go. 1 to 1, 1 to 2, and 1 to 3. If you know your stuff, trust me, you're going to make a lot of money from that. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you've got any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.